Welcome to another maybe exciting 5-minute auto pairing. So Smith-Morra gambit. This is quite easy to play so far. Stop bishop g4s. Oh, hang on, knight takes on, he's on the bishop. That might not have been clever. Oh well. No, this works out okay for the moment, does it? Knight d4 though. He takes. If it takes, I've got the rook. Let's slow down a bit here. I got takes.
Check.
Alright, is that queen g4? What takes this queen? I've got to get rid of the queens, I think. I think he's got d5. Takes in d5 for knight e2 check. That's the problem. Knight e2, I don't take with. No, I don't think knight e2 works. Stay with the queen. But I think takes in then d5 could be trouble. Uh-oh, he's going to play d5. Oh boy. Man, no. Okay, he's got a back row issue for a moment. Anyway. So it takes and then f4. Oh, it's rook c7. Doesn't look too bad. On a6 now. So knight d6 is the idea. Okay. d5. Don't look too bad. I've got two passed pawns here. b4, b5. Yeah, this looks good. Oh, that was a bit quick. Resign. Okay. Generous. So, playing a bit too quickly here, to be honest. Hang on. This might actually be wrong. Queen b3. Yes, I'm playing too quickly. Over here. Oh, what is it? Yes. Okay, I should know about this. Queen b3. I've played it a lot of times. It's very strong there. Yeah. Okay. Missed opportunity. And this is dodgy, yeah. I think this is a bit dodgy. A knight d4 here. Then I'm in trouble. If I go here, it's horrible.
Check.
It's more than horrible. Whoa, I get it. Yeah, there's a check, isn't there? It's gonna be brutal. Let me off the hook.
Check.
Queen E3 better. Yeah, I think Queen E3 would have started with D5. Yeah, I've got D5 here, so I'll let him play for D5. Oh, B5 better. Yep. That's the way to do it. Not the way he's done it. He's just given me a good position. It is nice with the two connected pass pawns. Good playing on. But let's see. This one? Yeah, okay. Seeing a pawn down, but it looks worse for black. Okay, comments or questions on YouTube. Thanks so much.